Khubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ikfa University, Meghalaya.
Kiladan Shibun Kisamla Hakari, Kantup Nakaniga Jala, Rung Shakam Shipai Agniveer, Laniki Shipai, Gibashipor Jomkari, Langba ka Agnipat Scheme, Kabadega Kam Shipai, Gibtang Sausnem, Henry Menta Kilayo Yak Khubor Kababha, Bahadin Bikila Dependep Yak Sausnem, Dagbasuk and Pendrungkam Yaki, Kumki Central Armed Police Force, Clam the Dunkam to examine, but Clam the Dunkam Male Yigites Kibadem Le, Shua and Rung Shakaniga Kam. Namarbagi Day Bla Pendep Lupaya Baro Gijindan Kam, Shua Bikin Rung Kum Shipai Agniveer. Yaganeo Metri Kana Jokotana Kampo Ying, Nitianan Rai Ula Jubab, Lengba Gijingto Kibla Jubab, Shaka Ying Dorbarba, Joka Lok Sabha, Haba Jubab, Jinkali MP, BJP, Janardan Singh Sikriwal, Halor, Kalawe, Junkisamla, Kibarung, Shakam Shipai, Agniveer, Kapatang Sausnem. Katkum ke Jubab, La Batai, Marshitang Niki Kambala, Jokini Shipai Langrud, Nakbenta Kam Central Reserve Police Force, Border Security Police Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Sheshastrat Simabal, Batka Assam Rifle, Kadeben Lech Shipai Agniveer Club, Kibla Pendep, Yaga Jinshakari Saus Nem Kanti, Batka Taruk Kam the Dunkam Manle Examine, Neyakun Jing Mare, Lane Kam the Dunkam Manle, Yagataka Written Test, Ka Fiscal Standard Test, Nega Fiscal Efficiency Test, Namarbak Sorgar Gashim, Baka Saus Nem Gakam Magitrey, Shipai, Gladale Pa, Jing Pansishai, Jingla, Junkie Bantrey Yakam. Katrat Kampo Ying Ongru, Baka Sorkar Don Jingtmu, Bantau Yakatanat Jungi Agniveer, Banhap, Hapok Jingpe Jong Kautanat Kampo Ying. Haduk Mantag Kenhun Baningkong Jung Shipai Agniveer, Lapenrung House Nem Arjar Ar, Baka Samoy Trikam Junki Kampat Kud, but Endak Lakut Kinyo Yakaniga Lat.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.